nange Abba Marcus. Abba Marcus kyakoze basajja bange. My goodness. Kasuku kukuwaza banga. Aina bachelor's degree mu community psychology. Bagikutte ne bagivu omwana yagikutte ekyo nagivunga ati. Bajo student mubs ne bamukwata bati. Mukadde waffe Emmanuel Sendi. Ne bamukwata nga agenda twale ebyolugezigezi aladini. Presidential advisor ye. Omwana kyata Uncle Weazal Abba Marcus atwadde Christmas gift. Nvuddeyo kubeera nga mwebaza Abba Marcus. Thank you so much. Twali badde wasinga Abba tewajja. Olugezigezi bw'abantu abo n'olukwata n'olukasuka eri. Naye kyensaba kiri kimba nange tubeere bakkakkamu. Bangi mwagala okuliplayinga omwana oyo. Fe abamu ku ba defenders be tugenda mu defendinga wabula agala okubeera nga addamu Abba Marcus olina okukozesa olulimi lwe yakozesezza lujjabba luzungu. You hear me bro? You wanna say kakati Kasuku Bajo Madam Presidential Advisor mukadde waffe Emmanuel Sendi muyine ennaku bbiri zemusigaza boxing day n'olwokumeka. In fact, musigaza olunaku lumu lwa boxing day. Twagala reply ku Lwokutaano.
Kumanya gange
Tamale Mirundi Joseph Junior
neyongeddeko erya Makasaba.
Omwana ono badda.
Nali sirabangako mwana ali confident ku myaka egyo. Omwana stating facts nga tawemudde nga tavodde nena ayogera ebintu by'ekintu ekikulu. There is what they call mature discussion. Abamuvuma tebategeera luzungu. Era ambasaasira.
It was English.
Your primary teacher eyakusomesa oluzungu oba secondary teacher dayo omusabe sente zo oba ovuma Abba Marcus.
God for the roasted chicken. Abana batabuka. Abba Marcus ngadda ku live ye. Yabuze bulungi equipment. Nafuna ne editing switch kuobedda buli kajira n'azannyako wali ng'akulaba wali oteesa. Kati tulabulabye kusaamuka neŋŋamba badda omwana nga yabadde mukambwe nasose kulaba omusajja wange basookedde kwani of course Kasuku bamwogeddeko ne bamuyitako yes kati mamulieyo ngati Kasuku agenda gati naye bamwogedde banjogeddeko naye sigenda kwekolako mawulire.
Babatunula baji ala comment zammwe.
Kasuku tulimu. Naye omwana wa chameleon n'oba tumwagala. There is that credibility he has in English. Nuga
sijja bigendamu
bino kambireke. Gwalabye yamuvuma babuliddwa. Ya bambozali na who is that? Ne babulwa. Kati oba kigambye kitya. No oluzungu luli omala kusembeza simu bwo. Kawanze Tamale yasoma sibitegere. I need an interpreter. Era mwana watu nakitegedde nti oluzungu bali abo mu America ne bwogera. Luli corporate different no lwafu. Goga I will go. Yaga I damn go and go live. Yaga I don't want live. Natusigala ku live nga kwetuli. Kumbe yagenze.
Abana owaye bworeka
Kasuku twasigaddeko abantu bisatu
nga mukyala
bafuka bagenze kufuka ye yaga don't want die with it nego I will come back tomorrow. Tukyali bubi education system eno bagikyuse kakati tulina bye twasoma.
Abba Marcus ekimusumbuwa abaana bwe bato ababadde mu Africa bwe bakulakulamu ne babatwala mu America bagala okopa bwe batuukayo bafosinga bakopa language tone
enyingira
bakopa tone y'oluzungu lwayo accent okufaanagana abaana baayo. In fact abatana nadutereza era omulaba ng'ayogera naye nga tannabaduyiga akoperera kati ayagala okulowoozesa bano nti wakabi nnyo oyagala oluzungu lungi accent eserera
naye bajjo yakoze bubi yagambye nange saabitegedde.
Listen my boss, njagala okutegeeza Abba bw'oba weeyita wakabi nga weeyita wa kitalo nga kyekikuvooza kitaawo, njagala okwate passport oba olina obutuuze bwa America giteekeyo. Bw'oba olina obutuuze bwa America enyumba gye mulina kamiyoni yagigula akyagisasula mukyali kwasalira anytime any day ebyogamba buno bw'oba in fact kati n'omuntu wakusuinga bakuzza wano tonna bakufuna right emanyira abantu kubavoola balengeza bonna mulinde taatawo nabadde mu ddwayo nandaga essimu nandaga buli kimu emitwalo ya dola gyabaweereza buli mwaka buli wiiki buli mwezi nabiki buli kagaye masannyalaze kakibe kiyakiteekako kyekyatukabiza ne kamiliyoni abantu badde tukabira ki ekyokuvuma taatawo si solution ekyokuvuma jjajjaawo. Abba okimanyi bulungi nakunonanga kusomera eri wansi nga kamiliyoni antuma nga nkulera bwenti tolina na right eyimirira kunvuma
yakuteddemu
yantaddemu naye nakunonanga kusomera olaba eringa namuwonga eri essomero liri eryambala ne green eri wansi nakunonanga sometimes nga nkutwala ne ku ice cream wali katolina right envuma nkuleze wenti
abadde na bajjo
okimanyi nti badde ndi mukwano gwa family ndi mukwano gwa tatabo sisobola kukkiriza kuvuma jjajjaawo kubanga Abba tukwagala lwa kamiliyoni
bajjo tukubuzizaako
kamiliyoni n'amala akutuka bw'ati mwenna mwekambabulire na kamiliyoni tubamanyirwa kamiliyoni value tugibawa lwa kamiliyoni tuba respecting lwa kamiliyoni twabategera lwa kamiliyoni tubaagala because of kamiliyoni.
She's just opening her mouth because that's her job. She has to open her mouth so her job, she can have her job, so she can make money for the month.
Kasookedde lubanga lwa mmindi leero sinadde okunywa Abba Marcus olwedde yeegulidde edda erinnya alina abawagizi bangi nnyo era muganda wange tewagenda kubaawo kwewolereza kwonna kubanga ekyenjawulo ekiriwo nti omuntu gwe balumbagana bye boogera abitegeera ate ye byayogera tebabitegeera 100 ku 100 ate ye muganda wange alaga nti bye boogera abitegeerera ddala bulungi nnyo. Kakati luno lutalo teruuko kwogerera era tuluyitamu buyisi bwe tutyo ng'obutambi bweyogerera bwonna buli kimu kigambo ku kigambo bonna okutwaliza awamu full figure kuguno omulundi atuuse okwogera ne byatategeera nayogera ku accent ate oba omuntu byayogera tobitegeera ate accent ogitegeera otya gyayogereramu oba yeyo basi yeyo kubanga nebyayogera benyini tobitegeera. Abakkiriza bo bakkiriza Kasuku akkiriza Kasuku yakkiriza nsuubira okubanga n'abalala bagenda kuvayo badi meeting jukira nti ennaku babawadde ennaku 2 tukulu 5 tusuubira okuba nti bagenda kuvaayo buli omu atuwe reply era tugenda kuba tubifuna wano butereevu ani azzeemu ki kubanga buli yavumye bamuzeemu era n'abakakasa n'abagamba nti gwe bw'oba yagala okukakasa akasinza okunsasa bw'oba yagala okukakasa nti ebyeyogera bya kisiru nga owoggana buwogganyi ga reply yo olina kuyeeringa kudda okuwoggana nga bajjo nga ne akuinterview ng'ali awo kumpi ate gwe owoggana nnyo kitegeeza nti byeyogera bya kisiru. Subhanallah. Ono omwana ndowooza ye mwana w'omwaka nsuubira okuba nga ffena tujja kukkiriza era Mayanja family kye balina okukola balina kukkiriza bukkiriza nti mu butuufu balina empologoma.
Abba yandisoose n'abuuza taata we ki ekikunywesa kibayita omuzungu kyayita circumstances twakula.
Alright guys, I don't want to be disrespectful here because this is my family, right? But we all know something I cannot say. You know what I'm saying? We all know something like that I cannot say. Obviously he's gonna be what's it called, defending my dad. You know what I'm saying? We all know something that I must not say. Just know these two people are very similar.
Abba yandisoose n'abuuza taata we ki ekikunywesa kibayita omuzungu kyayita circumstances. Twakula tuli ba baby nga tuli innocent naye why lwaki omuntu atuuka neyefumita empiso neyekuba eddagala nga yekuba drugs kati
Look. Bro. Okay. Look. Does anybody on earth have a perfect life? Has anybody grown up without any trauma, without any experiences? If you've never effed up, put your hands in the chat. Put your hands in the chat. If we don't all have problems. You know what I'm saying? Right now is just because I'm break, but every day waking up out of bed to go to school and dealing with everybody has problems, but you don't see me resorting to other things. You know what I'm saying? This is a stupid excuse, to put it quite frankly, in the most respectful way possible. Yet again, the younger people of Uganda, both women and men, are looking at this video and wondering and are thinking to themselves, oh, when I encounter problems in life, it's okay for me to pick up, like the example he gave, it's okay for me to pick up a syringe and start. You know what I'm saying? Does that make sense to y'all? It does not make sense to me. You know what I'm saying? The circumstances don't matter. Are we gonna say that all people that abuse substance have had bad lives? It's not okay. Everybody goes through things. You don't see people picking up drugs. It's not everybody that does that.
Mitwalo 2 gya dola omutamivu nakusasulira emyaka negiwera nakutwala ne Bulaaya nagula n'ennyumba nasanga aweereza ne biiru saga bingira mu kwasi family yange naye kyannumye kozi oli abeera taatawo abba nkwagala nnyo naye stop wamma.
I will not be stopping. Thank you. Okay. This is what I call guilty conscience needs no accuser. Okay? This is what we call guilty conscience needs no accuser. If anybody goes onto my video, I didn't once call my dad an alcoholic. I didn't say alimutamiva. I didn't say that. Did I say that? Because it's on the internet. It will be there forever, and I'm 100%. I did not say my dad's an alcoholic. The point that I brought up in my video, right? The point that I brought up in my video is that the people around my father enable him and do not care about his well-being. That's why they continue to let him do whatever he wants to do. And if anything, play devil's advocate on his left shoulder and encourage bad habits. Not once did I ever call my dad an alcoholic on my video. I brought attention to him and the people around him. Because if anything is to go down in flames, I want the whole country. I want the whole country to to see who was associated, so we can see the enablers. This is what we call guilty conscience needs no accuser. He knows he's in the same boat, so he feels like I am attacking that. I'm not attacking nobody, bro.
Nyumba Galaxy mugimanyi Galaxy sente zesasula mitwalo 2 gya dola omutamivu nakusasulira emyaka negiwera nakutwala ne Bulaaya nagula n'ennyumba nasanga aweereza ne biiru saga bingira mu kwasi family yange naye kyannumye.
I didn't even get on that video talking about, oh yeah, my dad doesn't provide, yada, 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 yada. My dad provides, bro. I never once said nothing. I didn't say that my dad's useless or nothing. I explicitly said multiple times that I love my dad to death. And he's been a good dad to me. But do you know that what you are is because of him? I think you need to do a little bit more reading. There's so many people in my life that add up to who I am. Not just my dad. Don't let your love for his music fool you. I have so many more important people. My dad's just as important as everybody else in my life. I don't care if he's not happy with me. I don't care. Bro, I don't even want to say nothing, bro. I don't want to start.
Oli abira taatawo abba nkwagala nnyo naye stop wamma ensi eno ogiraba nange babiŋŋamba ng'edda Mr. Mayanja nga babiŋŋamba kola zikulabe ensi eno woteetereza yeekutereeza so wanaakula kirungi ate alina mu America first world wanaakula n'afunayo abaana nga waali omwana wa omukulu ajja kutegeera taata we kyaliko naye nga mwana muto tulina muwamu ne chance nti mwana muto is very young.
The world will correct me. The world will teach me, right? If I'm not taught, the world will teach me. Bro. So he just supported alcoholism and said that if I don't learn to accept that people are gonna use alcohol and risk their lives, the world will teach me that that's a normal thing. Oh, mukulu tasobia, blah blah blah, tatawo tasobia. Who said? Who said? Who said that? Kantu Anambi said that. That's why we're still doing that. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't even make sense at all. It does not make sense. It's not even this generation. It's just generally. Who said that mukulu tasobia? Do you know how many times I've heard that? Oh, respect your grandparents, blah blah blah. Give due respect. Yo, wake up. It's 2025. We're going into 2025. Respect is earned, not given. There's never once, bro. Let me not even say that on here, bro. But look. Right and wrong has no age. It's either right or wrong. They're not gonna be like, oh, he was wrong, but he's 10 years older than the guy that was right, so that means he's right.
Abba chiwumba tutudugwo kyana gwe naawe gwe mukazi gwe Daniela nzisivanga yo kwamba nayo oli musiru togenda kufuna yo taata wa Abba mulala gwe nawe ki Abba togenda kufuna yo kitaawo mulala tali ka milioni mbwagwe. Look at his head. Look at his head. Nosuka nokusumikira ebinyo mu jjajja they are evil. Kyagabe mu jjajja awagula they are evil. Mubaga batatu.
Let me tell you guys something real quick. The quickest way to know people, well, the quickest way to know that someone is not intellectually up there is if they have to yell to deliver their point. Look at how he's yelling. He's just screaming like as if the person that's interviewing him is not right in front of him. Look at him.
Nosuka nokusumikira ebinyo mu jjajja they are evil. Kyagabe mu jjajja awagula they are evil. Mubaga batata bwalifa tulijeera. Gwe mbizi gwe Abba oli kyana kitata enkuzala.
Me busy. Me. Nze busy. Me. I'm the busy. Hey God. I don't even have to say anything. I don't even have to say anything. I know. Look at him. I don't have to say nothing. I don't. What? I don't have to say nothing. Look.
wadde oyogera oluzungu lwesitegeera tayiri kikakyo.
See, that's exactly what I'm talking about.
bubalowooza nti taata yali talina kyakola naye nga the went to the best schools gye baakulira muyenga nga n'emmotoka ebatwala ku ssomero nga buli kye baagala bakiina bw'omubuuza maama we yali akola mulimu ki.
Okay.
Oh, my mother.
Okay. So I'm not gonna feel any type of way to hold anything back. I believe that this is a completely I know for a fact he doesn't explicitly mention me. But context clues lead me to decide that this is a message that concerns me and what my cause had to do and how I came on TikTok and dealt with my family business. Okay? All these things that he's saying are valid points. You know what I'm saying? But it's nothing special. Let me give you guys an example. There's one type of person that I do not like. There's people that complain about paying their children's school fees. Oh, I'm broke. Nasasude school fees. I just pay school fees. Who asked you to pay school fees? It's a what's it called? It's what we call bare minimum. Your father sending you to good schools, your father providing food on the table, your father providing for your family, right? Your father providing everything for you to grow up to be a better man than he was it's what we call bare minimum. Nobody, exactly, it's his obligation. Nobody should give him a round of applause. Nobody should give no father a round of applause. Oh, good job, you sent your children to school, you gave them good food, you put clothes on their body, they're doing good in life because of you. Oh, great job. Is that how low the bar has gotten? Tell me if I'm wrong. Is that how low the bar has gone? Because to me, that's responsibility. She has nothing that is sensible that she's really saying. You know what I'm saying? And you can tell she's making a joke out of it. She doesn't even care for real. She's just opening her mouth and saying nothing. You know what I'm saying? And I was actually talking about this with my mom. Before I even came on here, it started talking about the issues that were going on with, like, to do with my dad's health and stuff. She was telling me not to, you know what I'm saying? But I was like, nah, I gotta do this. You know what I'm saying? I don't know how these problems, like, connect to her and why she has why she feels the authority to comment on stuff like this. You know what I'm saying? Look at her, bro. Bro, look, let's be serious, y'all. Look, are you telling me that a woman that looks like this, I should take her serious? She goes to the point of embarrassing me on the internet, talking about I'm finna get a girl pregnant. I'm not a kid no more. That's why she's still stuck there. That's why Uganda is like this, because we have such uneducated people. Abitex is, bro, I'm not gonna respond to Abitex. Those are exactly the people I was talking about. I don't care about what Abitex has to say at all. I could care less. I don't even know who he is. Half of these people, I didn't know who they were until they started reacting to me. I'm trying to look for the video, bro.